Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 27th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across energy and power, IT and technology, banking and financials, metals and mining, infrastructure, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in energy and power. ONGC dropped sharply -1.83% to 232.21 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by top India oil producer beats profit estimate on price surge. Energy connects. After today's weakness, the 225.24 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ONGC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to IT and technology. Infosys edged higher +1.24% to 1,144 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow gains 500 points, SpaceX snaps a losing streak, Bitcoin pops. Investors Business Daily. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Moving to banking and financials. SBI edged higher +1.20% to 1,052 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI keeps repo rate unchanged, projects India's real GDP growth for current fiscal at 6.9%. Akashvani News on air. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel is trading higher by +0.92% at 188.01 Indian rupees. This comes as BHP shares reach record high as copper rally powers miners. Discovery alert, adding pressure to energy markets. With Tata Steel moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 192.71 Indian rupees level above and 183.31 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Moving to infrastructure. Larsen & Toubro is trading higher by +0.71% at 4,119 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech drags S&P 500, NASDAQ lower as Iran tensions, Nvidia earnings loom. The spokesman review. Larsen & Toubro is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 4,201.38 Indian rupees resistance and 4,036.62 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.40, which matters for import and export heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.